morning, everybody. Glad to see everybody this great Thursday morning. It's so pretty outside, so hopefully you are taking advantage of that and you get to go outside and play with your family. Maybe do some chalking in the driveway or playing some basketball or doing something to stay active. Just wanted to address. I'm sure that everybody has heard that the governor has recommended that we do not return back to school for the rest of the year. Yes, I am heartbroken, and just for the fact of I really miss my kids, and I miss doing what I do, and that is actually teaching. This has been fun, but it's nothing like having your babies um, in your classroom and watching the light bulbs go off. Um, it's nothing like it, but I miss you guys so much, and I am pretty sure that they're going to be working on a way where we can have some type of closure. Some questions that I have been receiving is, are they going to stay in kindergarten next year? I do think that the plan is for them to progress to the next grade. As far as what they'll be doing in first grade to address the gap so they won't be behind from the skills they were supposed to be taught at the end of kindergarten. I'm sure that they are making up a plan right now, and as soon as we have that plan, then I will share that with you. But no, your child will not be back in kindergarten again, unless we have spoken with you about it before. But all you guys are fine. We'd be going to first grade. And that's that on that. But like I said, not going to talk about it anymore because I'll start crying like a big baby. Okay. All right. So here we are. Our sight word for today is want. Everybody say want. Very good. Want. Now, want is a sight word. Let me tell you. It breaks the rules. I'm going to go ahead and let you know that now. Okay? Want. Okay? So if we tried to sound out the word want, we would have want, want, want. Well, guys, let me tell you, it is not spelled the way that it sounds, okay? So this is a word that we have to know by heart. And we are going to put it in sight word jail, okay? Because it breaks the rules, okay? So the first sound is right. W. What letter says W? Right. W. Now this is where it gets tricky because the vowel of this word is A. And normally A says A. But in this sight word want, you have to know it by heart. It breaks the rules, okay? Want. Want. So the sight word is want. Remember that this is a word that you will not be able to sound out. You do not need to coat the A with a breathe, because if we coat the A with a breathe, that means that the A says ah. If we were to coat it with a macron, that means that the A would say A. So the word is not want. It's not want. And it's not waint. It's not waint, right? So we don't need to coat that A with a breathe, and we do not need to coat it with a macron, because this is a sight word that breaks the rules, okay? You have to know it by heart. It is in sight word jail because it breaks the rules. A word that is want's cousin is a word that we've already gone over before. It's the word went. So the only thing that we change right here is the vowel. So want and went are cousins. Did you know that? Okay. I see the consonant blend at the end of the word want. Okay. Okay. So the word is want. Our sight word sentence of the day is I want to make a cake for you. Whoa. I want to make a cake for you. How many words does that have in a sentence? That's right, it has 8 words in a sentence. Now remember, a couple of things that I want you to look out for is we want to start our sentence with a capital letter, end it with a period, and what goes in between each word? That's right, a space, right? All right, now guys, now there are 2 rhyming words in this sentence. I want to make a cake for you. So after you write the sentence, I would love for you to circle the 2 words that are rhyming. I want to make a cake for you. Okay? I want you to make sure that you are doing that, okay? All right. Now, that is all that we're going to be working on today with our sight word. Something that I do want to talk to you about today as well is the addition fluency. Now, with addition fluency, it reminds me of how we had to, parents, remember our multiplication tables, remember how we had to know them by heart without, if somebody said 9 times 10, we would have to say 90, or 5 times 5, we had to say 25. Well, that's kind of what we are leaning toward with the addition with our kindergartners. We are going to start simple, okay? And it's nothing elaborate or anything like that. But you can make flashcards with your kids. You can play videos with your kids if you look it up on YouTube. Addition facts, I'll try to attach some between today and tomorrow. But just working on those. So first, we can work on the zeros because zeros are really, really easy, okay? So we know that 0 plus any number equals that number, okay? And the kids really like it if I say, okay, what is 1 plus 0? They'll say 1. What is 5 plus 0? 5. What's a million plus 0? And then they'll say a million. They really get a kick out of the big number, okay? So let's just start out with zeros this week, okay? We can just say, what is 5 plus 0? What is 6 plus 0? You can make little flashcards out of notebook paper. You can get a dry erase board if you want to practice. Parents, switching that 0 around. For instance, it's very important that we know that 6 plus 0 equals 6. But it's also important for you to do 0 plus 6 equals 6. So, you can practice placing that 0 in different places so they can know that in addition equations that it doesn't matter the order of the addends right here, okay? So you can just make some little flash cards and you can just start math facts 0 through 5, okay? Is this something that's going to be tested? No. Is it going to be something that makes math a lot easier when your kid goes to first grade? Yes, it will make it a lot easier if they're able to remember those easy math facts, okay? So our task today is just for you to practice math facts with 0 up to 5. If your child is doing this with ease, go ahead and move it up to 10, okay? You can do that. For advanced, if your child is doing it within ease up to 10, then move it on up to 20. However you want to do it, you can make flashcards. Or just test them on those math facts right there. I love you guys so much, and hang in there. We're in this all together. Remember, if you have any questions, please do not hesitate to give me a dojo message, shout out, or whatever you need to do, and I always try to answer you as quickly as I can. So as I get more information from the Board of Education, if I get anything, I will relay that message to you, okay? I love you guys. You guys rock. Parents, you are amazing. I'll talk to you soon. Oh, one more thing. Oh, okay. This is something that got cut off in my video too. We are still encouraging the read 20, okay? So we still would like your child to read 20 minutes every day. So what I need for you to do to make sure that you are reading 20 minutes every day is this. Put down the title of the book or books that you read within 20 minutes. Now, I'm only going to give you 1 dojo point a day. So if you put down 5 books, You read 5 books in 20 minutes, you're not going to get 5 dojo points, okay? If you put the books that you've read for the day, you'll get 1 point for doing the read 20, okay? So we want to encourage that as well. Tune in for tomorrow because I've been keeping up with everybody that has been turning in those assignments, and I will be drawing a name for the person who's going to get our first prize, okay? I love you so much. You guys rock, and remember, just stay strong and we're going to make it. Love you. Bye.